Hey, I just wanted to share a tip about paintbrushes. This is something I've done for years and it really has helped extend the life of the brushes. So after you've rinsed it and you wash it with Dawn dish soap and then you've slung it in the sink like this and you've combed it with one of these brushes, this is just a metal brush. You can get one of these also at the Dollar Tree in the pet grooming section, or you can use an old fork, which, you know, make sure don't eat off of it later. But you know, get in there, stab your bristles and really pull that paint out. So anyway, after you've done all that, you're gonna take your paintbrush, you're gonna dip it in fabric softener, right? And then you're gonna reshape the bristles. See, I'm gonna squeeze a little bit of that out. There's no need to rinse. At first, when I did this, I thought I had to rinse. You don't. So you just reshape your bristles, and then you let your brush dry like this. And then when you use your brush, one, it smells good, and two, these bristles are nice and soft, and it extends the life of your brush. So it's just a little something, a little extra step, but it's super inexpensive and worth the extra step. Hope that helps you.